Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today I'll discuss about this amazing stock once again, Sharda Cropchem Limited. The reason why we're discussing today because the result has been announced. I was waiting for this result very eagerly and the result as expected is very good. So I'll share the result with you. But before that, I'll tell you that this company has been discussed before also. If you want to see that video, you have to go to YouTube, search for Mayank Tripathi Sharda Cropchem and get the first result is the video what we discussed, and you can watch the entire video to know all the fundamental details about this particular company. Alternately, you can go to my channel also and you can search over there. You'll get the same video. So this is what it is all about. The fundamental part, I'll tell you briefly. This company into agri sector, and this has a very asset-light model where they don't manufacture anything, but they do R&D part and license all the whatever the findings or whatever their research part and make money through it. So it's an asset-light model completely. Fundamentally, this company's PE is very attractive at 13.6, and this will become even more attractive when you see the results now. ROC is 18.5 and ROE is 15. That is quite decent. Promoter holding is the most important part for this company. 74.8. It is almost 75%. That means the promoter of this company kept the maximum possible they can keep with themselves. That shows how much they believe in this company. They don't want to give any single piece of their company to anyone unless and until it's forced by the government. So government SEBI has forced to let them go only 25%. So they had let go only 25% and kept everything possibly whatever they could. So this says the belief of the company on promoters on their own company, and this is very important to note that the promoter, if they believe in the company, that means they are going to grow further and they want to make more money out of their own ventures. So please note this. In any further analysis, anybody does the analysis or whether you do the analysis, keep a note of this promoter holding every time. It's very important. Second factor is the debt to equity ratio is 0.02. So that's almost negligible. That's almost non-existent. Debt is only 29.2 crore where net profit is 165 crore. This is because they don't have manufacturing facilities. So debt is very less and net profit is very high because it's an asset-like model. So this is what the fundamental of the company looks like. Now if you go to net quarterly results, C4 which is growing from last 3 quarters, 389 crores, 425 crores and 494 crores. So they are growing every quarter. This quarter result has been out, but screener is not updated now. So that will update I think in the evening or maybe tomorrow. Net profit, if you see, is for 28 CR, 19 crores and 48 crores. And I told you promoter holding is very good in terms of shareholding pattern. And public has only 5.37%. That is very less. That is slightly more than FIIs also. It's very less in terms of public holding. FIIs and DIs has got a good stake in this company. So everything is good about this company when it comes to shareholding pattern. Now we'll jump quickly to the results, which is the best part for this company now. If you see the result quite December 31, so last quarter results was around 494 crore of sales. But this quarter the sales is 1,088 crores. So that's more than double in a quarter. Same thing goes for net profit also. If you see net profit, last quarter net profit was close to 482 crores. So this time it's 48 crores and this time it's 133 crores. So that's the growth this company has shown. If you see, that's almost 3 times. So 48 crores and 134 crores. So that's almost close to 3 times of net profit this company registered in only a quarter. If you see year on year, March 2021 year end and 20 year end, this being pandemic also, this company has growth around 15%, around 50%, around 40% growth in net profit. 16 crores to 164 crores to 229 crores. So that's almost close to 40% growth in terms even if there is a pandemic. So this is how this company is growing, and that's the reason fundamental analysis video also told this is gem of a company and you must hold this company in a portfolio and also for long term, because this company is going to make you money every quarter. This stock will keep on increasing every quarter. So this is how this the revenue for this particular quarter and particular year looks like for Sharda Cropchem. So what is next? So does this mean this company is not this company has registered a lot of profit and there's no opportunity anymore? Now the market has not, result has come out, but the market has not reacted to it because it just came out today. Next week the market will react. Maybe tomorrow itself market should react to this. Even if they don't react, next week definitely they are going to react very heavily on this stock and this will jump like anything. That will go very high. What is the opportunity? I'll show you. Still there is some opportunity in terms of chart pattern. You can see two things. One if you invest in short term, there's opportunity in chart pattern. But I'll suggest you to invest in this stock for long term, because this is going to make a lot of money for you if in the long run. I'll just show the chart pattern so you understand how it works. So this is one cup with handle pattern. Sorry, this is one reverse head and shoulder pattern which was there already. In this reverse head and shoulder pattern, I'll show you how this works. So this was one head. Sorry, this was one shoulder, left shoulder. This was one head, and then this one was right shoulder. So this company has grown from here very big, and this crossed this. Then again it came down, it's crossing up. Now the result has come. So what we can do right now, if you see, we can actually remove this right shoulder, and we can create a shoulder from here till here. So this becomes the right shoulder. So this is one opportunity where the depth also size of the head becomes the opportunity right now. So we can take this further, you can keep it here. So this becomes one target, a short term target for this particular company. So short term target, if you see the kind of gain you see in this particular company in terms of short term, we'll see just now. So we can take this particular element and drag and drop from here to here. So this is around 67% opportunity still present in this particular company. You can make money. Oh, what's happening here? Sorry. So this I'll put it here. So still you can make around 68% in short term also, and this will not take much time from this level. But right now the stock has moved at this price, so you can't buy it here. So let's suppose it's today's closer, it was here. So from here also, if you see the current gain whatever you have, so that comes around 48.91%, close to 50%, I'll tell you. So this is the kind of gain you can make from this stock even in short term. But again, I will tell you, this stock is not for short term, this is for long term. But if you are a swing trader and if you want to make money, still there is a lot of opportunity, and this will not take time. I'm telling you, this will not take a lot of time. You can definitely buy, and within a very short period of time you will make this money. So this was my analysis. The opportunity I told you, the fundamentals analysis video you can watch and understand more, and decide whether you want to invest or not. So this was my video, my analysis. So if you like the video, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish any video. And leave your comments, leave your feedback in the comment section so that I can reply on top of that, or I can improve my videos further. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Stay happy, stay safe.